Welcome to Home Cooking Canada. In our part 2 series of immunity drinks, I am making immunity special tea. Boosting our immunity is the seasonal need of this world now. So I decided to make this beverage and share with you all. This is the most popular street side beverage in India. This is an aromatic and spicy tea which is more flavorful and enjoyable, prepared with some spices that are available in our kitchen like ginger, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and coriander seeds. The immune boosting effects of clove, cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger makes it a great way to keep cough and cold away. This immunity tea helps to fight cold and flu and strengthen the immune system and keep infections away. Here are a few things that make this drink unique and healthy. Moreover, tea contains caffeine, a stimulant which is in much lesser quantity when compared to coffee. This beverage is prepared first without milk and later with milk. Do try this immunity special tea and keep yourself refreshed. So let's see the ingredients. Ginger, 2 in size. Cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, few pieces. Coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon. Tea granules, 2 teaspoons. White sugar alternatives. You may use any one of them rather than white sugar. Palm jaggery powder or karupatti. Palm candy or panakarkandu. Honey and milk. Once all the ingredients are ready, let's get started. In a pestle and mortar, coarse grind the following spices. First pound the ginger, and once the ginger is nicely crushed, add few pieces of cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Next add coriander seeds. Again pound these coriander seeds gently. Once all these ingredients blend together, coarse grind and pound all these spices together. Boil 2 cups of water. Once the water comes to a boil, next add the crushed spices and herbs. Allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of tea granules. And bring to a boil. Next add sweetness of your choice. Here I am adding 2 to 3 pieces of palm candy. Let this continue to boil until all the spices and herbs blend together. The spices in the tea helps to prevent diabetes. Clove, cinnamon and cardamom also known to help prevent diabetes by increasing the insulin sensitivity in the body and lowering one's blood sugar levels. The coriander seeds help to reduce bad cholesterol and help to soothe an irritated digestive system and relieves bloating and digestion. Turn off the stove. Remove the pan and close with the lid. Let this rest for another 2 minutes, wherein the spices all settle down and nice flavored tea can be retained. Next, strain the tea and pour into cups. Immunity Special Black Tea is now ready. Black tea helps to lower bad cholesterol and regulate heart rate and blood pressure by dilating the blood vessels. Now I am going to prepare the Immunity Special Tea with milk. The preparation is same like black tea. So boil 2 cups of water. Add in the spices. Add 2 tablespoons tea granules. And all the spices blend together. Add 1 cup of milk. Bring everything to a boil. Add sweetness of your choice. Here I am adding palm jaggery powder for sweetness. You may add your choice of sugar. Once all this come to a boil, close with the lid and let it remain for 2 minutes to retain its flavor. Next, strain the tea and pour into cups. Now refreshing Immunity Special Tea with milk is ready. This immunity tea helps to fight cold and flu and strengthen the immune system and keep infections away. Please do like, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications and receive more updates from our channel.